These oat pancakes are thick, soft and fluffy, drizzled with maple syrup and topped with candied pecans and sliced banana for the perfect weekend breakfast. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for a new recipe each week. We're going to start by adding the oats to a medium-sized mixing bowl. You can use old-fashioned oats, rolled oats or quick oats here. It all depends how much texture you would like to your pancakes. Add half a cup or 50 grams to the mixing bowl. If you'd like the full recipe, it'll be on my website as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. This is the secret to fluffy oatmeal pancakes. Add the wet ingredients to the oats first to hydrate them before adding the rest of the dry ingredients. Pour in 1 cup or 250 ml of milk. You can use the milk alternative here if you would prefer. To the oats and milk, we want to crack in 1 medium-sized egg and add the butter. Melt your butter in the microwave or in a small saucepan over low heat and pour it into the bowl. Alternatively, you can use oil here if you would like to make these pancakes dairy-free. Use a whisk to combine the ingredients together well. All the wet ingredients are going to start to hydrate and soften the oats. You can even do this step ahead of time if you would like, but it's not necessary. These pancakes are super soft and fluffy, but the best thing about them is their filling too. Oats are filled with fibre, and if you pair the pancakes with the candied pecans and banana, it'll keep you full for most of the day. To the wet ingredients, start to add the dry ingredients. We'll need 1 cup or 125 grams of standard all-purpose flour. If you'd like to make these a little more nutritious, you can swap the white flour out for wholemeal flour or oat flour. Add your flour to the bowl, followed by 2 teaspoons of baking powder to make the pancakes light and fluffy. Lastly, we'll need a few tablespoons of sugar to sweeten up the pancakes, along with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. The cinnamon adds a delicious warmth that pairs so well with the oats, but alternatively you can use mixed spice or any other type of spice blend. Add it to the bowl along with the salt and sugar. This recipe makes about 8 decent sized pancakes, so it'll feed about 4 people with 2 each. The recipe is so easy to double or even triple if you are feeding more though. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite type of pancakes are. I have so many different recipes now: fluffy pancakes, buttermilk, souffle, but my favourite would probably be lemon ricotta pancakes. They're so tender and decadent, I would definitely recommend giving them a go if you haven't already. Use a wooden spoon to fold your pancake batter together just until you no longer see any dry flour. Be careful not to overmix here, as we don't want dry, rubbery, tough pancakes. Heat a fry pan over medium-low heat. I like to use cast iron as it creates the most even heat for cooking pancakes, but any fry pan will work well. When it's hot, add half a teaspoon of butter and a 1/3 cup of pancake batter. Let the pancake batter spread on its own and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until bubbles start to appear and pop in the centre. Make sure to check a few times and adjust the heat if the pancake is getting a little too much colour. Flip the pancake over and cook on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat with the remaining batter. If you did want to make the candied pecans for this recipe, take your pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter, a 1/4 cup of pecans and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Cook over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the pecans have turned golden and toasty and the sauce is thickened and becomes sticky. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Serve the pancakes stacked high with the candied pecans, a sliced banana and drizzled with a good quality maple syrup. This is the ultimate Sunday morning breakfast. I hope you give it a try this weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.